Hey, it's Dana and Linus with Hitching Up and Moving On. We are on Lake Shelbyville. We're back in a cove, and Linus has trusted me with running the trolling motor, which I've never done before. And we got the drone up. There's Linus. So we're just tooling around back in this cove, doing a little fishing. Didn't catch anything today. Well, that's not true. I caught one. That's my first one all season.
We may have to put a little light clear on it.
A little what?
Have to darken, I think, a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. Hi.
So
I'm doing 3 things at one time, which in a classroom I'm able to do easily. Out on a boat, not so much. So this is a little cove. We are north of
we are where we dropped our GoPro in.
Yeah, true. Yeah, over there, right?
Yeah.
Over there.
Should be able to see the main lake here in a minute. Climb up to about 300 feet or so. See if we can see the main lake then. There's 300 feet. Here you go.
Oh yeah. Awesome. This is about the best weather we've had today. It's a beautiful day out here on the lake. They've been saying that it was supposed to rain today, but I must have taken that out
because should have put the filter on. There's a filter. Oop, that's too negative. Oh, that's not bad. That's better. The sun's at it. It's getting it wrong.
Beautiful lake. It really is.
Mm-hmm. I gotta find it again.
I can hear it. I don't see it.
I
see
it now.
I see it up there. Up against those clouds. I don't know if this will pick it up or not. That's me running the trolling motor right there. Right there, right there. I don't think we got any name suggestions. I don't think we got any name suggestions for our drone. We would love that. If someone give us some suggestions, because we have not thought of any. Oh, there he is. Dad. Is it a he or a she? I'm not sure.
See, it's blowing the drone around a little bit. You can see the wind moving it. But yeah, you can see the wind every once in a while. I'll throw a gust at it, but it's actually holding pretty steady. There is a little bit of gust of wind out here. So, but we're going to bring it in and try not to put it in the lake.
Oh, please.
So. Yeah, why don't you go to the back?
Turn around here. Hang on. I'm going to hit you with the seat. Okay.
You feel the air off of it.
Are you going to bring it off? Bring it down here?
Right here, if
front.
I can.
Okay, let me get out of the way.
Oh, don't rock me.
Landing.
Yay! Good job.
And there she be.
Yay! Good job.
There she be. Yep. DJI 4K.
Mini.
Mini. Yeah, it's not the 4 Pro, but it's the Mini. But we love it.
Good job.
For what we have in it, it's really nice. Did a real good job.
Yeah.
A little windy up there, but that's fine. We'll put it away. We'll go down the lake and see what else we can see.
And this is Wolf Creek State Park, and I see some geese enjoying the beach.
Swimming area.
Yeah, that's what I don't know, but I think it's odd that there wouldn't be anybody at the beach today. Yeah, I don't know. Well, Eagle Creek is up just a little further, and they are closed. I can't remember if there's any camping up there. I guess there is. But the big lodge at Eagle Creek has been closed for years. So there's Wolf Creek. We've never stayed there. We've driven through the campground a few times. Wolf Creek is a state park, yeah. Yep. I use my GPS when we're out in the boat. So just up here on the left is Eagle Creek. No, I just like to keep track of where we are. We are heading up to the Finley area.
Is this part of Eagle Creek?
Yes, this is the Eagle Creek over here.
That's a little.
Yeah, coming up on our left is the golf course. Well, I'm not, now that I say that, I'm not sure that's Eagle Creek.
I wondered about that. I don't know.
Because it shows Eagle Creek up further north. You see campers back
I
there?
thought I saw it.
Okay. Anyway, on my map it says that the golf course is up here, and then the recreation area. There's somebody out on the golf course. Yeah. That's what I said, yes.
What she
He
said.
doubts me. He doubts me. Boat ramp?
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's the boat ramp for Eagle. Well, that's part of Eagle Creek. It's just when we get around this curve, this little bend, we'll be at the Eagle Creek State Recreation Area. So that's the boat ramp for it. Coming up to the bridge at the Finley Marina. It says County Road 3, but yeah, well,
We were down at Finley right now.
up,
Huh?
up.
Oh, up
Yeah.
okay.
Yeah,
are
we
up
came
at-
north. Yeah, Finley is a little further north.
Everything's down in my book. We're at the road that crosses the water that goes into Finley
Right.
and take you over to Bow Woods if you.
Yes, yeah. And the marina over there is where you can rent houseboats and pontoons and all sorts of things.
Takeoff. Home point updated.
Hit record.
There you
See
go.
the wind blowing around a little bit.
Yeah.
It's strong. Oh, look at that right there.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, that's a great shot.
See, here, let me go forward with him.
Oh, that's a nice shot of that bridge.
I'm watching the birds up there.
Yeah, I know. I saw one fly by. We sat down in this area and fished before, but we've not flown our drone here.
And right
before.
there we are.
Pretty cool. You getting good images?
Pretty good. And we should be. That bird up there.
Is there a bird buzzing it?
Yeah, no. I'm trying to get it. Damn.
Oh, there's several of them. Oh my. The swallows. Swallows are not happy.
No, I don't want them. Here we are.
Yeah, I see. Hi.
Hitching up and moving on. We are moving on with our drone. I'm going to bring it in. I think that's pretty good. I was going to fly between the trestles, but the wind's a little bit rough today. Oh, okay. I'm going to put it okay. What's the seat, Demi? Oh, land.
Landing.
Yay, good job.
That's close.
Good job. That was fun.
That's pretty close. With the wind blowing, it's wanting to
Woo!
move around. That's pretty neat. I'd love to fly between the trestles, but
Yeah.
it's really windy today, and I'm not that experienced. And I already gave away enough equipment this week. So let's just keep it at that. That was a really good picture of the bridge up there. So hey, it's Linus.
And Dana.
We always
Hitching up.
moving on.
And thank you for joining us on this little boat ride and drone ride around Lake Shelbyville in central Illinois.
Yeah. It's just a beautiful lake, like I said before. I've got another video out where we went around the marina close to Lithia Springs and showed you what's there, but we'll include this in another video so you guys can see some of this too.
So thanks for joining us. Remember to like and subscribe, shoot us a comment, help us name this doggone drone.
Yeah.
Please and thank you. So remember, the best is yet to see.
Get her done. That's what we're going to name it.